Good day, everybody. Welcome to the tutorial of Openstack on Ubuntu 18.4. As you can see, this is the layout of the video. You can just scroll it to the proper video what you want. The first thing is the installing of Ubuntu 18.4. As you can see, we are installing it. After installing, we're going to do configuration step of Devstack, installing steps of the Devstack. Log in with the SSH Openstack at the IP address of the Openstack on Ubuntu. First thing, we're going to add a user with the following command line sudo add user stack. After that, we're going to turn on the root user with sudo -i, and we're going to delete all the passwords. After that, log in to the root and sign in with a stack user account that you made earlier. After that, we're gonna create a password of the stack user. As you can see, if you press pwd, you can see the directory. And after that, we're gonna install git on the stack user account. We already have the newest version, so it won't be that long. After that, we're gonna use the git command and clone the openstack.arg/openstack-dev/devstack. Go into the directory the of the downloaded item. As you can see, you can all see the directories. We're going to use the sample directory. Here you can see the local.conf. We're going to edit that. The local.conf replaced to the home directory of Devstack. After that, just with the sudo nano, edit the admin password, database password, rabbit password, service password, and if you go down below, we're gonna change the IP address. After you save the conf file, we're gonna go to the installation of Devstack. We're gonna do the install Devstack and show the web interface. Again, we rebooted our system and we're gonna log in with external SSH Openstack at your IP address. As you can see, you're gonna log in with an Openstack. Just log in with the stack user account and go to the Devstack directory. As you can see, it's already installing. To install this step, just type in /stack.sh. As you can see, it's already installed. It's done installing, and we created a web interface. As you can see, the password is Openstack and with the user account admin. Just go to your internet browser, type in the IP address that it's given. As you can see, you're gonna go into the Openstack web browser, type in the username, the admin, and the password that you're given. As you can see the overview, the instance, the images, the networking, and everything else. This is just the basic without configuration. After this, we're gonna configure everything. Now we're gonna add images to the OpenStack, show the image, add image, and show the adding image on the web browser. As you can see, we're gonna log in the web interface, and we're gonna click on the images, and now it's the zeros 0.4. We're gonna add another image. Just log in with another terminal with the HH OpenStack at your IP address. Log in with the Stack user account. Go to directory Devstack. As you can see, this is all the directories. Go to the open source OpenRC admin. Now we're gonna go to the files directory within the Devstack. As you can see, you see all the templates that's already in. You can see the image that's already in the what we that you saw, the Cyrus image file. After that, we're gonna install the other image. For example, here we're gonna use the command line wget and the website browser to the Fedora cloud base. After that, we're gonna create an image called Fedora, and after that, we're gonna also download the CentOS image and create an image, as you can see here with the following command line. We're going to also install the Ubuntu Bionic server clouding, also creating an image called Ubuntu. And we're gonna download the Debian 10 OpenStack with the same command line with widget and the image site. You can do this for all the image that's available for within OpenStack. After that, we're gonna unzip zeros the image that we just downloaded. And also create image in the web interface. This one called Core OS with the file name. So, as you can see, it's added to the database, and we're gonna install another one that's called the Arc Openstack with the latest image bootstrap. Again, creating image called Arch Linux. You can do this, what I said, you can do this with all the images that's available. Now just type in ls and you can see all the images that you downloaded and put in the database. As you can see, the latest that we downloaded was the Openstack Arc. As you can see, it's already in it. The Bionic server, CentOS, Cyrus, the Fedora cloud base. Just go to your web interface, log in with a password and username. In this case, the username was admin. And as you can see, just type in the images, clicking on the images, and you can see all the images that's available that we just put on and downloaded. After the adding images, we're going to create a security group, and I'm going to show you how to configure a security group. Just go on the web interface, log in with the username and the password. As you can see there on the tab networking security groups, we're going to click on the manage rules and add a new rule. Click on the all EICMP. Description, we're going to say allowed ping to instance. We're going to add a new rule with the SSH and allow SSH to instance. Click on add. As you can see, we already added the manager. Now we're gonna install and create an SS key. Go on your terminal, log in with the SSH Upstack, log in with the stack user account that we made. Go in the root directory of stack. And now we're gonna create an SSH gen. Just go to the following directory that's made and saved in the directory. Go on the OpenStack interface, press key pairs. You can import a key public, just call it OpenStack. key type is SSH, and the SSH key that we copied from the terminal. Now we're going to add a router within the OpenStack. Again, we're going to show it. Click on the networking and network topology. As you can see, we have two types without a router, just we have one. Create a router. We're going to name the router VR. As you can see, it's already added. Go to the interfaces of that added interface. Type in the IP address. So we're going to set a gateway for the VR and we're going to put it on public. Enable the SNAT. After this, it should be fine. As you can see, everything's connected with each other. Now we're going to create an instance. How to create an instance and SSH into VM. Also, we're going to just go on the web interface, log in with admin and the passwords. Go to the tab instance, launch instance. After this, we're going to call it Ubuntu. Description is the web server, of course. Just following the steps. See, it's init, and the power states is running with the following IP address. We're gonna call the actions is floating the IP address, and we're gonna log in with the terminal. Hopefully that's running. As you can see, we typed in the SSH Ubuntu, and you can see it on the Ubuntu at Openstack. Thank you for watching.